what my bed currently looks like. Hi guys, so I almost forgot, but there's this document that I have to sign. It's literally an affidavit of good conduct. I have to sign this, and I actually have to go to a court to do it. I know, so weird. Like, I have to go to a court to do it. But anyway, I'm going, so I'm on my way over there, and I'll catch you guys later. I'll vlog as much as I can. So I'm going to put this doing my laundry. We're going to the store to pick some things up, and then we're going to go a little bit of thrifting, and I actually have a package I need to pick up, and I'll be doing a little unboxing later. So yeah, I'm also expecting a package to be delivered to me, but this one I'm going to pick it up, so I'll see you later. So guys, I got the tripod stand finally. I ordered this like a week ago, and they just gave me an email that it arrived. Unboxing this. So this is how it came in this cute bag. Here it is. Actually not black, kind of looks like a ash color. Okay, so it's actually brown-ish. Actually feels very solid. Wow. Isn't this so beautiful, guys? This is what I'm going to be using to film all the videos for you guys. I'm officially a YouTuber. So I just made a list of everything I need to do for the next few days. Right now I just want to apply for a job that I saw. So yeah. guys, so this is what my bed currently looks like, but it's going to be fixed pretty soon. So I actually thought that I was going to travel by land, which would have been so nice, but I'm actually going to be going by air, and this can't all fit. So I'm going to be filling this bag, and I'm going to send this bag by land. So I'm going to fill this up, and that's what I'm just doing today. So I'm going to fill this up with not my clothes, my sheets, my bags, some electronics, my violin, and other stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm actually going to be filming a moving vlog, and over there in that video I'm going to show you all the stuff I got. But this is just my electric kettle. I'm going to be unboxing it later on. Carrying a lot of books, but this bag contains all the textbooks I'm going to be taking from my secondary school life. And I literally just packed all my bags in here. They're just small bags, so I just put them in. So I'm actually going to try to fit my blanket in there too. Guys, that's it. This bag is done. I'm just going to take it over to the park, and it's going to be delivered to me over there. So catch you all later, lovelies. Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little hair care. I'm going to show you what I use on my hair. I actually wanted to make my hair like tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to work. But right now I'm going to make a deep condition and show you how I, a little hair treatment scene. So let's get started. So for the past hair treatment that I've been doing, I've actually been using onions on my hair. So I just make like a little onion juice. And actually put honey in it. Honey, some oils. We're working with. So for my deep conditioner, I'm actually going to be using rice, and this is just quarter of a cup, and I'm just going to rinse it and boil it, and you'll see. So this is what my hair currently looks like. I used this once before and my hair felt really light and fluffy, so let's use it again. Guys, my rice almost burnt, but thankfully my mom saved it. So I'm going to blend this actually, and you'll see. I'm going to be putting a tiny egg. On till tomorrow, then I'm just going to wash it all the way. Hi guys, so I'm going on my last dorm shopping in Abuja with my mom over here, and we're just going to go to a store. It's actually 6:13 p.m. right now. We left the house really late, but we're hoping to get everything that I need for now here, and then the rest we can just buy it over